Hi, my name's CJ and today I'm going to show you how to do a beach wave look for your hair inspired by my favourite model at the minute, Cara Delevingne. So I just washed my hair using a Colour Protect shampoo to keep the colour nice and lively, and now I'm going to run some mousse through it, get a nice large amount, and I'm just going to run it through the whole of my hair to make sure the style stays in place. Don't forget the roots as well, because that's where the volume will come in. While I'm working, I have to have so many crazy hairstyles, and this one's quite a nice low-key one, so you can just use it on a day-to-day basis rather than an updo or something, really relaxed kind of hairstyle. The idea is to look like you haven't tried. You know you've put enough mousse in when you can't quite run your fingers through your hair anymore. So it's good and tacky. A little bit more. On the underneath part. My hair's quite thick, so I need quite a lot of product. I think I've got enough product in now because my hair's feeling sticky. So now I've put all the mousse on, I'm just going to finish the ends off with some serum. This just stops them from going frizzy at the end. I have quite frizzy hair. And make sure the curl goes right the way down to the end, because there's nothing worse than having a curl and then a straight tip at the end. Work that in. Now I'm going to use a diffuser on the end of my hairdryer. I'm going to do it on a high heat but a low speed. I've got quite wavy hair already, so for us girls with curly hair it's very easy to get this look. So high heat, low setting. You just need to make sure that you get the end in. Gives it much more bounce. So my hair's pretty much dry now. I'm going to leave it there so it doesn't go too fluffy, which is a problem for me. And I'm just going to take this curling one now and just take some random diagonal sections, curl one way and one the other way, just to define the curl a little bit more so that it doesn't look too frizzy. So I'm just going to wrap this around this way. And take another section and go the other way. Do it all the way around. The underneath of my hair is curlier than the top, so you just really need to do the top layer. So now I'm going to spray with some salt spray. Don't want to put too much on because I don't want to make my hair wet again. It'll make the curls drop out again. And if you just spray it on and tease the curls apart to make them expand just that little bit more, make extra big bouncy hair. Okay, so I think that's enough of that. Just gonna let it settle in. I think that's finished. Beach waves.